Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to share your reels from Instagram to Facebook. So simply what you need to do, just open the Instagram app. So here you can see this is our Instagram app. So simply what we need to do, just click on this plus button, and here post story,
Hey guys.
reels, all options are here. Simply we will click on this. Now here you can select your reel you want to upload. Just click on processing. Now simply click on add. So now simply click on next. You can also download it from here. So now simply click on always allow, tag people, recommend it on Facebook. Here you can see when your reels is recommended, it will be shown with your Instagram username to anyone on Facebook. So when this feature is turned on, your reel will be uploaded on Facebook.